In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Goddess Provisions monthly subscription box. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello, if you're new, make sure that you subscribe, that way you'll never miss out on another unboxing. Today we're going to be doing the November Goddess Provisions box. This month's box is double the size of their usual boxes, so I'm really excited, and it is a little bit of a heavier box. So, okay, before we get started, I do want to let you know a few things about Goddess Provisions. I have it written down here, but every month you get 5 to 7 full-size items, and as you guys have seen from my unboxings, you truly do get full-size items, full decks, full oils, all that stuff, and it's really fun. The products range from crystals to aromatherapy to oils to herbs to snacks to tarot or oracle decks. So many things that just really expand your spirituality. Goddess Provisions is cruelty-free and they are vegan, and they help to plant a tree for every box that's sold. And if you guys have seen my previous unboxings, you see that the box is $33 a month, and if you get like the 6-month plan or the 12-month plan, you do get a discount, and there's free shipping in the United States. But you also get to see that you are only spending like $33 a month, and the box is exceeding 80 to 100, sometimes I swear even like $200 worth of things. So if you're interested, I'll leave the link down below, and let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so before every unboxing, I always like to take a little shot. These are my downtime videos. These are my fun videos where I don't have to do a lot of like research or study or teach in these videos. I just get to relax with you guys, and so I love these. So cheers, and go grab your drink, your tea, your coffee, your shot, your wine, snack, whatever it is, and let's get to unboxing. So let's see what is inside of this box. It's pretty heavy. As soon as you open it up, this is what you see inside. There's a lot of things in this one, you guys. So you know, if you guys have been following me, that I go to the bottom of the box and I find the card. I always do that. And it's the most exciting part for me because, first of all, you guys know, I always use the front, like either on my fridge, in my journals, photo albums. The artwork on the front is so pretty. And this time it says the moon is my muse. Interesting. That's it. That's a synchronicity, because lately, for the past few days, even weeks, my boyfriend has just been asking me, what is my muse? We've been talking about like, what is your muse? Isn't that weird? That's weird. But I like to go in and look at the inside of the card because it tells you what everything is, how much it retails for, discount codes that the company is giving you, and a little like explanation of it. And also they give you sometimes a digital download, and you get the link or the code or whatever, and you can go take a course or a meditation or something online, which is always really fun. So these are really fun for me. I always dig for this first. First thing I see here is, it says Crystal Dreams Pillowcase. Pillowcase with crystal pocket. Rose quartz. Okay. I've never heard of this before. but I'm really excited. It smells good. Okay. I'm actually really excited because I've been meaning to buy some pillowcases. And I wanted some silk ones because I've heard it's really good for your hair. Oh my god, you guys, look at this. Do you guys see this pillowcase? How cute is this? It's gonna be so pretty. And it has like the moon logo right there. And also, if you see in the back, it actually truly does have a little pocket for your crystals, which I actually really, really like. I made a dream pillow for myself because I've been having nightmares a lot lately, which, if you guys are interested, I will make those dream pillows for my Etsy shop because it helped me a lot. 100% it helped me. My nightmares stopped. I sleep like a baby. Like, my boyfriend even sometimes tells me, like, he'll try to wake me up and I don't even like budge. Like, that's how peaceful of a sleep that this mix has given me. If you guys are interested, let me know, but I will definitely be using this. I'm really excited for this. Now, let's see how much this retails for. You guys see why I'm so excited about this card? So the Crystal Dreams Pillowcase is a $22 value, and you know what? It also teaches you how to wash it. So wash in cold water and hang to dry. Do not put it in the dryer. Noted. But this is really cute. This is really pretty, and I'm going to be using this tonight, and I'm going to put some rose quartz, my dream herbs into the back. And that's the thing, you can just customize. You can put anything in there. You could put calamus root to dominate your partner. You could put domination herbs. You could put sex herbs to spice up your sex life. Okay, before we unbox the next thing, let's take the rest of the shot. This is a big ass shot. But this product says, nourish your mind, body, and spirit with a ritual brew. I have a feeling this is a cup. May the stars align and your dreams become reality. I have a feeling this is a cup because there's a picture of a cup on it. It is a cup. Okay, you guys, if you get this month's box, I am telling you, get this month's box because this is so cute. I've been wanting to redo my cup collection because I have like cups that are so old and I just want to renew it with stuff like this. How cute. Do you guys see this? So on this side, it's daydreaming. And then on this side, it says moon gazing. So you could use it for nighttime tea or morning coffee. And I think it's the perfect size. I love it, you guys. What do you think? So this cup retails for $22. So already you're paying $33 for the box, but $44 worth of stuff in just 2 items alone. So this is actually really cute. I'm so excited. Like, I could take shots in this. Is that bad? The next thing I see here is a crystal. And this crystal is, I don't own anything like it. It's pink and purple. Okay, if you guys see this crystal right here, it is a raw strawberry quartz crystal. I have nothing like it. And this is basically for healing and divine love and welcoming peace into your heart. I love it. The energy is really, really nice, and I do not own anything like it. Now, I do see that this crystal right here is an $8 value. Usually tumbled stones or like even raw stones are much more affordable, but in this case, I have a feeling this is a more exotic. The next thing that I see here looks like a tapestry or maybe a cloth. I really love how they wrapped it up. It just seems so personal. I love when they give me calendars. I actually have their calendar that they gave for 2021 right next to me right here. But this is a 2022 calendar. Look at this. How cute. How pretty is that? So this right here is the 2022 lunar calendar. It is a $25 value, and they also give you 33% off their website if you wanted to go shop on their website. I really, really love this. I think that I'm going to be putting it in my kitchen. I don't know, I get kitchen vibes from this. And I feel like, wow, it tells you, you know, the new moon, the full moon. This is nice. You know, the equinox dates, the solstice dates, and this is going to be actually very helpful and also bring in the energy of the ethers into your home. So it's really nice to just keep calendars like this. Okay, the next thing that I pulled out here, it says new moon, heathen moon, Norse inspired and handcrafted. So it's an oil, I think. It doesn't say much on the bottle, so I am going to have to see what it is on the card. See, that's why I pull the card out, because sometimes the products, you don't really know what it is, because when you're buying spiritual products, you know exactly what you need, your intention is, right? You want something for money, you're going to go buy something for money. You want something for love, you're going to go buy something for love. And when sometimes you get sent things, you don't really know what the intention is right off the bat. So this is a new moon roll-on, and it's for new beginnings, renewing energy, and there's lavender, chamomile, lemongrass, peppermint, and rosemary. These are very, very good herbs. A lot of these herbs are in my protection oil. And yeah, my protection oil smells a little bit similar to this. Really good. Love it. I love it. And this retails for $20. Damn, that's expensive for a roll-on. Okay, I usually sold mine, I think, for $11.11. But then again, like, how they charge it, how they blend it, and everything goes into play. And they also give you a 20% off if you get the box. They give you If you get the box, they give you a 20% off code, but this smells really, really good. Like a lot of you, I feel like if you are starting off a new business, starting off a new, or maybe you just bought a new car, new house, you bought something new, a big new TV, dab a little bit of this oil on everything new that you bring into your house to protect it and everything, you know, especially big things. This is a really good oil for that. And you can smell, like I can tell that it's been worked on pretty nicely. So the next thing I see here is a packet of cards. So the last two Goddess Provisions boxes, I think it was the last two, they gave a set of cards like this. So they're making their own trading oracle cards, which I think is so cool, and I'm so excited because I have the last two batches. I'm excited to see what this one is. So basically you could trade these cards with other goddesses, you could collect them, you could make your own deck, like so many things you could do with them. You can use them for spell work, you can use them under your pillow, you can bury them under your house, like depending on your intention. Okay, so the last one that I got, one set was all crystals, one set was something else, I forgot. And this set is all the moon phases. So I'm not going to be trading any of these because I want them. I want these, okay? So waning crescent, third quarter, waning gibbous, full moon, waxing gibbous, first quarter, waxing crescent, and the new moon, which we just had. I'm not giving these away, but you guys, these are trading cards and you can do whatever you want with them. These specifically, like when it is, say it is like the third quarter moon, I'm going to pull this card out, and because like, look, there's mushrooms on it, it's purple, somebody else did the research for me, use mushrooms, cook mushrooms that night, use the color purple, maybe, I don't know, maybe use purple onions. I don't know, like that's how my mind starts getting creative, is a lot of cooking. But these cards really inspire a lot of that. Like say it's the third quarter moon and you're like, I don't know what to wear to work. Okay, brown, purple, white, black, these are your color choices. Like I feel like there's so much life guidance you can get with your oracle cards. Not so much tarot, because tarot is very much deeper, but oracle cards can give you just that. What do I need to do right now? Bam, you have your oracle card and it will tell you what to do. That's why I love oracle cards, and I've been really loving the Goddess Provision. Let me show you my stack. Okay, so all of the Goddess Provisions cards, the back looks like this. If you see that, the back looks like this. Here is my stack of cards from previous boxes. So these are basically all the ones that they have out right now. And these are the ones that I'm going to be adding to it. So I'm super excited. I'm really happy that they're doing this because it's exciting to get new cards every month, and you can trade it, you can use it in spells, you can actually build your own collection and then read from it. I love this. Like this was such a good idea for them to do, and I'm so happy to be a part of it. The last thing that I see here is a crescent moon rainbow maker, birchwood and clear quartz crystals. Okay, what is this? It looks like maybe it's something to hang. It's a little heavy. I think this is what was making the whole box heavy. Wrapped really nicely. Okay, do you guys see this? How cute is that? And on the side of it, it says shine your light. If you guys can see that, how pretty is that? So it does give you like a little hanging thing. So you can, it's like a suction sticker thing. You could just stick anywhere and hang this anywhere. Okay, so this is a $22 value, and it is a rainbow maker. So what it does is you put it near a window, and this thing right here makes rainbows all over the walls, and it just brings in really good energy. I have them all over my house. I just do not have anything like this, and I would, of course, 100% fork out $22 for this. It's so pretty and it's so cute. Okay, so that was my haul. That was everything that was in the box. There was a lot of things in this box, and there was a lot of things that I will definitely be using, studying, learning about. And that's why I love these monthly boxes, because it just really expands my spirituality, gives me fun things to work with, fun things to do, like that coffee cup. I'm going to be now working, like it inspires me to work with my morning coffee or my late night tea, and then maybe I can make a video for you guys. So I love these boxes because they inspire me so much and they give me something to do. They keep my mind busy and occupied, and they give me new things to study and learn. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll leave the link down below if you guys are interested. The last day to order this box is November 16th, so hurry up and get yours. I'll talk to you very soon.